brothers. Yo, JR, Brew, Yo, P. Know y'all can relate to this one, baby. It's all a struggle. We right here, though, right? Show. And so I struggle, but I'm still in the grind. Ain't the season of time. Find ways to prevent from squeezing the 9. The question is, when I'ma shine, will it be before reaching my prime? Stay focused in mind, see it all started before I was born. Pop shooting methadone, committed murder. Now there's blood on his palms, he met moms. The gender was abortion before I came along. Things got complicated, but she had to stay strong. Ripped the wound, damn, but still couldn't consume. Was left alone in the room. Said that I'll be out soon. When they got back, thought it might be over. Supposed to be a C-section, instead dislocated my shoulder. Brought to this world of pain, the only reason I was crying. They named me Daniel cause I was standing amongst lions. Cast out of heaven, now I walk the earth stressing. Damn, whatever happened to the blessing?
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me.
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me. Now I was raised to look in the eyes of a sad one. I shed one too many tears, but outside I cried. No one maybe once when they told me my cousin got murked. And only God knows how much that hurt in my family. Death comes to those who live decent. Seems like everything went wrong during the 4th season. Damn cancer caused my uncle to die recent. Grandma praying to God cause she afraid of leaving. This is my only form of grieving. Seems as every time I pray to God it's like praying to demons. Cause only demons are the ones who answer back. Yeah, I believe in heaven, but around me all you see is that pain encounters of mind, body, and soul. Like a champ trying to maintain control, but the anger still grows. The question is, when will all this come to an end? Can't wait for the skies to open up and God come in.
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me.
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me. Do you really love me? Like you say you love your kids, will you keep us from doing bids? Will you help me stay focused when the times get tough? The reason I'm cold-hearted now is cause I had enough. This life I had it rough, but you see I'm still standing. God hug me, now I'm demanding. I got used to things not being the same. I'm used to the rain and pain, guess I'm going insane.
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me.
Used to things not being the same. I'm used to the pain, I'm used to the rain. Used to having no one else to blame except the one above me.
God hugged me. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change what I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Amen.